Hello, I'm Tori. This is my workshop. Those are my saws. This is my belt sander I made. It's powered by this blender. The only things I've bought are the sanding belt and the drive belt. If we set it to blend, yeah, so it works okay. Makes a lot of noise. Yeah, that's my sanding thing. Over on this side of the sander, we have this bolt that controls the left and right tracking of the belt. And this one controls the tension of the belt. And we have the blender box on this hinge, and you can clamp it down with different spacer blocks to control the tension on the drive belt. It only runs for about a minute or two before the blender motor dies. I need to replace it with a treadmill motor. I made everything myself. It's made out of a plywood table from our tent trailer and some IKEA shelving, IKEA hardware, and some skateboard bearings. I even made the pulleys out of plywood myself on the bandsaw. And I used a hole saw to make this littler one.